I have MS, and my MS is aggressive, and I have other health issues. My husband's from England, and he has no family here. So it's just him and I, and with my health and his health, things have become very, very difficult.
At PA Health and Wellness, we say housing is health. We understand that people have better health outcomes when they have stable housing. So when we work with a partner like Habitat, we make sure we help our participants stay in their community and have better health outcomes because they do not have external factors negatively affecting their health.
Harrisburg Habitat for Humanity has been doing a critical home repair for over 10 years now. We've helped a few hundred people since then. Low-income homeowners in central Pennsylvania area that we want them to stay in their homes. So if they need repairs, we look at three major things: the weatherization, safety, and accessibility.
If it weren't for this program, I would not be having the repairs done that I needed to have done, financially or physically. Because, you know, if your body's not going to let you do it, you just can't do it. It can be demoralizing to reach out and ask for help, but when I did, the people that I asked for help from were so compassionate, understanding, and non-judgmental, which really made the process less intimidating and more welcoming.
It's very important that people be able to determine for themselves where they want to live and how they want to live, and we support that by giving them access to what they need to stay in their homes.
By receiving the grant from PA Health and Wellness will allow us to service many more homeowners in this area. Typically we will help 15 to 20 homeowners throughout a fiscal year. This additional funding, we're hoping to increase that to 40 to 50 homeowners throughout South Central Pennsylvania.
PA Health and Wellness has really helped me to be able to stay in my home and to be able to safely and comfortably go up and down my stairs. It's going to give me independence and freedom in my own home, and that's what I need, and that's what I want.